So Geeta, it's almost like a template that he's made, whether it's at the White House or in the UN. It's the same speech. Now he says China and India are the biggest funders of Russia's war.
Well, if you look at everything that he said is a reiteration, whether calling United Nations an irrelevant agency, poor, dilapidated, broken, making fun at the United Nations, hurling insults at the United Nations, or for that matter, claiming the 7 unending wars that he ended. And now going ahead and reiterating what he's been saying all along, that India and China are the main funders of the Russia-Ukraine war. Also, more importantly, Gaurav, over here, he's reiterating something that's very important, and which Marco Rubio also only a while ago said in an interview, saying that Europe has also been one buying oil from Russia, that they should stop. And secondly, he's insisting that as America has done, so should Europe impose sanctions on countries that are importing oil and gas from Russia. Now, that's an impossible ask, because we know that there are countries in Europe who not only take oil or gas from Russia, but also import oil indirectly from India, and that's Russian oil. So, in all probability for Europe, it will be an impossible. But Trump reiterating that in no other place but the United Nations General Assembly Hall